popping noise on startup and then goes away as the engine gets warmer, or an exhaust leak on startup and noise goes away as it gets warm. The most common issue is your exhaust manifolds. The studs, the double-ended studs, pop off. Okay, they break off in the cylinder heads and they come out looking like this. So what you have to do is drill out the stud that is in the head. You gotta extract it up all the way in there and put in new studs. The new studs that come are updated studs that are harder and they don't break. They always have white tips on the ends like this. They're the updated studs. These updated studs that are white tip go in the rear. They go in the rear of the engine, and then the other stuff